Hello, my name is Yesenia Enciso, and today we will be going over my ocean floor diorama. My diorama was constructed from cardboard, construction paper, and tissue paper. The diorama shows the active and passive continental margins, as well as what is contained in those margins: the continental shelf, continental slope, continental rise, deep ocean basins, deep ocean trenches, and as well as mid-ocean ridges. The ocean floor has three main regions. The first one is the continental margins, which is this area right here, and on the other side, the continental margins are the area along the shoreline. Number two is deep ocean basins, this area right here, located on deep ocean floors and are relatively flat. As number three is mid-ocean ridges right here in the middle, which are underwater mountains. On the right side here, we have the passive continental margin. Its distinguishing features are the continental shelf, the continental slope, the continental rise, and deep ocean basin. In the continental shelf, it is a gentle slope. Here is where humans typically swim. The continental slope is a very steep slope that contains marine canyons and turbidity currents. The continental rise is just a gentle incline of the ocean floor, and the deep ocean bases is where the abyssal plains are. They're relatively flat and barren. On the left side, we have the active continental margin. Its distinguishing features are, like the passive one, the active continental margin has a continental shelf, a very steep slope known as the continental slope. But unlike the passive continental margin, the active continental margin has deep ocean trenches. Deep ocean trenches are seen in active continental margins because they lay on tectonic plates. The lithosphere plates sit right on top of the asthenosphere plates, which are in constant movement, making the lithospheric plates move as well. The plates collide and result in oceanic crust sinking under the continental crust, resulting in these deep ocean trenches. In a passive continental margin, like the United States East Coast, there are no tectonic plate boundaries. This means that there cannot be any deep ocean trenches in this area. The mid-ocean ridges are the result of plates diverging, meaning that they are moving apart. The plates are moving apart allows for magma to rise. It cools once it meets the ocean water and forms rocks. These rocks become plentiful and result in underwater mountains. And if I move you guys into the diorama, you can see the mid-ocean underwater mountains there.